Men Jo'rayev Obidjon Baxtiyorovich, O'zbekiston Toshkentdan kelganman. Dehliga shu Ankur gospitaliga kelishdan oldin O'zbekistonda ahvolim juda og'ir edi. 15-20 litr qorinda suv, harakatlanishim keskin juda og'ir edi. Shu Ankur gospitaliga kelganimda doktor Akash men Jo'rayev Obidjon Baxtiyorovich Toshkent shahridan Dehliga keldim. Kelishimdan oldin Dehlidagi Akash klinikasi to'g'risida ma'lumotga ega bo'lib, shu yerni tavsiya qilishgani uchun shu klinikani tanladim. Kelishimdan maqsad jigar ko'chirib o'tkazish amaliyoti. Menda jigar sirrozi bo'lgani sababli.
So today in this story we talk about patient Obidjon. He was a resident of Uzbekistan and was suffering from hepatitis B and D related cirrhosis. He was suffering for a very long time, and when he came to us for evaluation, we evaluated him and told him that he needs a liver transplant. And his son came forward as an eligible donor to his father, and we evaluated his son as well, and he was found to be fit to donate a part of his liver to his father.
Shuning uchun biz Hindistonga Delhiga Akash klinikasiga doktor Ankur, doktor Amit, Vipin va uning jamoasini yaxshi maqtashgani uchun shu yerga keldik. Va akam kelganda og'ir ahvolda edi. 20 litr suvlari, qornida suvi bor edi. Juda ahvoli og'ir ahvolda kelgandilar. Bu yerdagi doktorlarga ko'rsatdik va bizni operatsiya amaliyoti o'tkazishdi.
And they both underwent a liver transplant, and they both had a very successful surgery. Within 14 days of hospital admission, they were discharged from the hospital. And today, as you see them in this video along my side, you can listen to their experience, how everything went for them, how was this process was smooth, and how miraculous recovery and the success they had after surgery. And today, another 10 days down the line, they'll be fit to go back to their country, and 1 month down the line, they'll be living between you, living a normal life, doing their normal household activities.
O'zbekistonga qaytib ketishga ruxsat berishdi. Salomatligimdan shikoyatim yo'q. Akash klinikasi va uning jamoasiga minnatdorchilik bildiramiz.